Okay, so let's do some video for the airdrop. So in the last few months and last year, a lot of people made money from airdrops, all right? This year should be huge for airdrops. Now it depends from us what we're doing, what action we do. Now what I find out, airdrops can be overwhelming, right? My head was exploding. Do this, go there, share this link, tweet, retweet, you know. Make sure if you go through all of that stuff, make sure you have a plan, make sure you stick with the plan, and you check every single day if they have some kind of announcement from whatever project you've been staking or you've been farming or whatever task you've been doing, and you're waiting some airdrops. Now some airdrops going to happen and a lot of airdrop is not going to happen. And also just remember, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, so Black Panther, all right, so this one is on injective. So what you need to do, there are a few steps you can go and check, okay, in that description. In their description you will find out how to do and what to do, but the best way, what you need to do is you go and stake here in their vaults. So you need to have your Kepler wallet, all right, I'm using here my Kepler wallet, and you need to send some injective. I use Binance or KuCoin or wherever, just send some injective there or use some bridge. Once you have that, go here, okay, press there, and then make sure you stake. So when you depositing, make sure you deposit, then you're going to deposit, it's going to become like USDT, and then make sure you go to stake and stake that, okay? Because if you don't stake, you can just deposit and it's not going to be stake. Then you can go here when is the time, claim rewards, and you can see I have 0 point. Okay, let me just show you if I stake, so that's very important. Okay, so how much you need to stake? Everybody's saying need to be over $100 at least. Now make sure you understand the risk here. Okay, there are different strategy where you make some money. You can make money or you can lose some money. So I stake also here, and if you go to stake, if you go to claim, you will see I have 1 point. But the main one, and I put pretty much the same amount everywhere, but here in this one I got the if you go to stake, I can claim 3 points. So we picking up points. The points going to give us airdrop. Okay, so make sure you claim them. I need to claim them today. Okay, that's one way. And the second way is you need to put some tokens again if you want to their validators, and I think at least you need to put 10. Okay, so if you go down the website, down here, you will see FAQ. So go to the FAQ, and just to make some clear for you, all right, you will see here, there we go, how I can participate in the point airdrops. You can qualify by staking, injective, and delegate to the Black Panther validator. Okay, so it doesn't mean how many, you can do as many as you want. And also here you can see the stake and also deposit funds into the vault. Okay, here you can see your points and so on and so on. So if you want to go to their validators, all right, so just go to your Kepler, all right, it's stake there, it's a little press button stake, okay, your Kepler dashboard. Basically you pick up your injective, all right. When you pick up your injective, you will see here the first validator is Black Panther, all right. So press there and just make sure how many you have, click yes, and just stake your injective. Simple as that. And then follow them on the Twitter, Telegram, in their social media, so you can see when they're going to send us some airdrops. So the whole point here is that hopefully this in the vaults we make some money. Also in between time, the points and the airdrops will be much bigger in case we lose here, so they will be much bigger than the losses what we have if we have losses, or maybe we'll make some money because so far they've been doing great. But make sure people staking there just to get their airdrops. Again, when is going to be the snapshot, nobody knows. Just follow them. Good luck to all of us. All right, going to the next one.